How was it?
Pretty good, I think. Yeah, it was definitely not easy, but that's cool. We haven't gotten our grades back yet, so I don't know how well I've done yet. But it's just weird. That's like the coolest thing ever.
It's pretty cool.
It's like projecting.
At the middle school I went to, there was a smart board in every room, and they were highly utilized. And I went to Walsh Penn College Prep, which is like supposedly one of the best schools in Chicago, on par with Northside, really. And we had smart boards as well. However, we never used them. It's like, nah, whiteboards are better. I never got why we never actually used the smart boards and instead used projectors, but we had them. We just never used them.
A critical step. Getting
Totally worth like the high expense that smart boards are worth. Smart boards cost, which I think are like a couple $1,000s.
What's up, Alex?
And that we never used.
Yeah. So not something you hang in your living room. Probably.
Nah.
But still cool. Yeah.
Plus it's projected, so the image quality isn't the best.
Getting closer to holograms and stuff.
It's only projector based, so it's not, the quality's not the best.
Tell me what is the value of sine? We don't use calculator. Just use.
And you know that scene?
What?
How is
Arabic. Okay.
saying Arabic?
Yeah. Because like that's
Sine of 75.
John, already like at Paris. It's a new tech. Illinois.
You will take Illinois? Oh yeah? How to say yeah for other? I don't know, I don't speak Arabic.
You don't speak? Your city is your city, okay?
And what?
Your city.
Well, do it without a calculator. You need to
So
know.
you city your.
No. You're going to tell me first. Because I'm just kidding.
You need to know some special rules to do this. Where's my pencil? There we are. So, this is equal to sine of 30 plus 45. Which is equal to sine of sine 30 cosine 30 cosine 75 plus sine 75 do. Sine of 30 is.
You do the new stuff. The new stuff we did today in class. The stuff we did today in class.
Stuff?
Oh, no, yesterday. Yesterday.
This is one of the formula you learn.
Just
So that is you don't really clear about what I want to call you. I just did it exactly to go over that.
Oh,
Did you have something?
no, not this. Oh, yeah, yeah, this stuff. I know this is easy. This,
It's not me.
this is,
You know,
yeah, a movie.
Sine of 30.
it's not me.
Why can't I remember what the sine of 30 is? One half. So.
You got it? I think so. It's good. Yeah.
There we go. It's. Root 2 times. think I got it.
We may have something wrong. I will go around it backward.
Was my process so generally correct, just arithmetic? Oh, cool. So my process was correct, it was just my math that was not. Oh, maybe it's the wrong formula. Wait. I thought. Oh, that's for cosine. That's why it was wrong.
That is the correct answer. Okay.
Oh yeah, that is times 2 is 4. Oh, because you're adding the root, the base is 4. Should be 4.
Tell me what is sine 15?
Okay. I think I got it.
You got it?
I think I do, though I might be wrong again. But I'm pretty sure I'm correct.
Let's see. Is that,
You take that and make it a minus.
are you sure about
Yeah.
it? Really sure?
Yeah.
Maybe it's wrong.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. What is your answer? Sure. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So, maybe you think this will be easier, but I would like to know why I show that for you. What is cosine? 75.
double one. See? Just double one.
Okay. To this first course, and I won't say it again. Okay. Let's go to these. Something. And then tell me whether it's a relative. Got it.
Okay. And that boy's loud. Haven't explained yet.
Okay.
But, yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay. I think I know that. What I know, I can promise maybe in future, this special angle will just exist in exam. If you know that, it's really important. Anyways, yeah, just remember.
Just remember that like cosine of 75 is like
75?
root 6 plus root
Okay, 75 at this angle is a special one.
Yeah.
In some cases, even equal to like 60 or 45 exactly. So you will use that angle in future. Okay, I will give you a little bit harder one.
That will be on the exam,
Which one?
the special angle. Okay.
So this equation, tell me the two answer. X1.
Cosine 40 degrees.
Yeah, tell me
Is that cosine?
X2. Let's combine all you want. You know this.
Huh?
Let's combine all you want in this question.
Is that cosine of 40 degrees?
Yeah.
Okay. Just double checking.
It's also combine what we learned before. This question.
Okay.
Hmm. I'm not sure. I don't have any notes on this.
Got it? How do you solve that? Okay, what is this function? What is this equation? Whatever you have, it's just normal. You have the formula, right? You know the formula.
This is project.
Like any kind of this question, if this is x squared, x is like a constant. It's a constant, right? You have the formula. You have the formula to know the two roots.
Oh,
Right?
project.
It's
So anyway, whatever is how ugly is this? How complicated is this? It's still x squared, x, and a constant, right?
Oh. It's just quadratic formula.
Already have some mistake here. 17. It should be very simplified pure network because signing and ideas and so on. Last time you remember you teach control, you make this mistake. Now you make this mistake again. That's why you're making the mistake in this way. It's not just that chance. Just erase it. The first hint tell you that division x squared x constant. Right? Use this formula like this. A, B, and C. Okay? And first you need to make sure the first step you should write. And then you can do later.
Oh my god. This equation. Um, what's the cosine of 40? It's a non-standard angle. How do I find the cosine of 40?
90 minus 60.
That's true.
How do you find what?
The cosine of 40 would be 90 minus 60.
Just the
My math is really good.
That means I'm gonna have to.
do it.
Don't know.
Cosine of 90 is 1 times.
So tell me first, if you get these, make sure about that. You get it?
Sine of 30.5.
Yeah, okay. So you should know how can get this step first. I give you 3 minutes. I will go over to simplify and do next step. And then once you know this question is combined all of the knowledge points,
0
all of formulas
times.
on this one question.
So it's 1.5. So negative root 2 times.
Correct. This is what? What?
I can see this.
948. Okay, so think about it. You're really close to it. Think about it here. You're ready. What's your name?
Just that.
Yeah, Joselle already really close to the answer. You just need to one more simplify. And here you'll know more about this question.
Cosine squared 40. That's going to be different. And cosine 40. Oh, it's just squaring the result, I guess.
Is this right? So far.
What is a root of a root?
Cool, man. But you know how to do that. Still have a mistake. But you already really good to know how to do that. But really pity. We have mistake before.
Over here?
Yeah.
Where?
Actually, at the same point.
Huh?
You do it.
This one. Over here.
This is 2, right? This one is negative 2, right? What is that? You cannot cancel 2.
Why?
This is square root. How can I just cancel that?
No.
1/2 squared. Cosine of 40 minus 1/2 is 0.
Okay, next step.
Is equal to 2 square root 2 whole sine 40 plus minus q to what? Equal to
Jesus.
right? How many you get this point?
I did it a different way, and I might
You get
be,
this?
and I might be completely wrong.
So you should do that.
I didn't do that, but I just immediately,
What's your name again? Yeah, he did that. Already.
I did it a
So
slight.
don't just, I don't know, keep going or something. I told you that you know this question very good everything. Just calm down and then do step by step.
I have no idea if the process I'm doing is correct.
Let's do okay.
Can I
Okay. What?
can I get some clarification as to like what I'm doing is a good method? Because what I did was immediately try to figure out what cosine of 40 was.
No, that is wrong. You should do what I do this way. Okay.
God dang it. Nope, that was all wrong.
Okay, I got it. Yeah, Rich, I got it.
You show me which parts you do wrong. How you do wrong at this.
This one right here.
Right? Then keep going. Keep going. Think about
How
it.
did you simplify that? That's
You don't solve for cosine 40. That would still be in the answer.
I just don't understand this.
Did you solve it?
I think so.
Don't let me talk about think what can you simplify about this. Just think about this. If I told you you still don't know how to do that.
You could find an answer with this extra fluid. Yes. Yeah, you open very close and you can what you can do for that. This square root.
How do you
And inside is like a square. So you can just put the sine square 40 outside, right? And this is 2 inside, right? So outside square root 2. Okay, so yeah.
wait? How did you get rid of all this cosine crap? How did you get rid of all the cosine? I don't know what's happening in between steps.
Okay, is this right?
I have to say it's cool. Yeah. Just
Keep on.
just yeah. And then think about it, how to do it. But you need to think. If I always tell you you still don't know when you face the exam or face the problem by yourself.
But I don't know what's happening in between the steps, so
which part you don't get it? This is only 2 steps right now. Only 2 steps. Okay, which part you can tell?
Like, I don't understand how you're able to get rid of the cosine squared 40 degrees from, like, let me just go up there and point, because I need to indicate what I'm having trouble with. If I'm having trouble with this, I don't understand how you're able to get rid of this when you go down here.
That is just this is 4, right? 4 multiplied cosine 40. Cosine square 40.
Cosine squared of 40.
Yeah. And this is square cosine square 40. This is 2. Minus 4 multiplied minus 1/2.
And then,
2, right?
so that's 2 cosine squared 40. So this becomes 2 cosine squared 40. But what happens to this? What happens to this cosine squared 40?
This is
and when it goes down here?
this is the formula.
I know it's quadratic formula, but how does it?
Wait, don't touch it.
I didn't mean to touch it. Sorry. How does this cosine squared 40 just disappear when it goes down here?
It's here. Like 2 cosine square 40 minus 4 cosine square 40 is minus 2 cosine square 40, right? And minus 4 equal to minus 1/2 is 2, right? So that's why what is shown after that.
Okay.
You got it?
Not really, but.
You is what is square system? What is that? Or yeah. So maybe don't do that. So tell me what is square root 4 square? 4. Yeah. What is that?
Sine?
Right.
Sine 40?
Yeah. But this is 2, right? Okay, what is okay. Do 9 minutes for that. Okay, I give you already here. I give you 5 minutes to do that. I think you can just do that by yourself. Get a final answer about that. Okay, 5 minutes. Do that. Don't stop. Just keep going. Do that thing. Use your brain. Okay, I will also tell you that like another hint for you is sine square alpha plus cosine square alpha is equal to 1, right? Always remember this.
It's involving that stuff. Okay. Thought we weren't going to be going over that on the final.
Yeah, cool, right?
So this is as far as it goes?
Yeah, that is also you can simplify. Wait, and then also think about how can you simplify that.
Wait, pivot.
Oh.
This okay.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. Just keep going.
What about this?
This is one of those that's going to go go forever.
Sure.
Sure.
No, there's no 2.
What?
What? Just get it. You already divided it here. Yeah, that is right.
Wait, but how come there's no 2 underneath the cosine?
I can't.
It doesn't matter because they're
I don't know
multiplied
how to
together.
manage so many things at once.
Okay. Then they use the formula. The first I tell you, use that formula. What is square root 2 over 2? What is that?
45.
Yes, correct. Sine and cosine, which degree to step 4 convert to square root 2 over 2. Use the sine and cosine stand for that. Instead of just square root 2 over 2.
What? I don't know. You can't follow. I don't even understand what's going on. I don't understand what's going on with the problem anymore. What the problem is trying to go for.
Well, these are three categories, right?
What?
Three categories. This course.
No, material science review session?
No, not really.
What?
What time is you?
6:30.
6:30.
We have 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Right.
Okay.
I've just given up at this point because I can't manage this many numbers in my head at once.
No.
No?
No. Okay. The last hint for you is so important. Here, I want to use the formula like sine alpha plus beta or cosine alpha plus beta. I want to use this formula for you. So how can you use this formula?
Which one? Right there.
Square root 2, right? This is you can equal to cosine 45, right?
Or sine.
Or sine 45, right?
Yeah.
So, you know that? Transfer the square root 2 over 2 to one of these. And then you can use the first formula I taught you today in real session.
Oh.
Right?
Okay, I think I got it.
Oh, we're solving for tangent?
No, not tangent. It's like how to say in English? The formula? It's like
The first one.
The adding formula, or whatever. And is it? Oh wait, no, it's not adding from 1 to 3. Sine alpha.
Okay, I think I got it.
I don't understand what's going on, what I'm solving anymore. I'm just lost.
Yeah, that's it, right?
Yeah.
I told you this. You can do that yourself. It doesn't not always keep going. Just think about it.
Explain.
I'm just totally lost.
Explain. You mean to you, which part of you? Did you get it?
I've only gone as far as
Yeah.
like this, and I'm not sure what simplifies
Okay.
Yeah.
at all.
Okay.
You got it pretty fast, man.
In fact,
Okay. So
if I wasn't given this information, I wouldn't have even gotten to this step.
you're already really close about it. So both of you who want to teach on the board about this question, just show what you do on the book.
Okay.
It's better.
Are you there teaching or no?
Yes, right. Both of you. Okay. So Corey, John, yeah, listen to about it.
Alright. Leon, follow along. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, so. Okay. So you understand how we got to this quadratic equation, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have
It's like
x squared, then we have
x squared, then it's that.
and then we have, okay? So we can see A, B, and C. So A equals 1, B equals negative square root 2 cosine 40, and C equals cosine squared 40 minus a half. Alright?
Okay.
Following along?
Yeah.
Alright. So then we use negative b plus minus
Yeah, the quadratic
square root
formula.
of b squared minus 4 ac
All over 2a. Well, 2a, but a is 1, so it doesn't matter.
So negative b, so
Negative b
negative cancel out, right?
Yep, so it's going to be 2 cosine 40 plus or minus the square root of negative, and then in parentheses, square root of 2 cosine 40 minus 4 times cosine squared 40 minus 1/2 all over 2.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, next. Don't worry about this for now. Let's do this, okay? Negative squared,
Negative square root,
positive,
negative is positive, yeah.
right? Sorry. So these, yeah. So this becomes positive.
Yeah.
This square root 2 becomes regular 2, right? Because square root 2 squared is 2.
Yeah.
Okay? Minus 4 cosine squared 40 plus 2.
Yeah.
Okay? Then we have like terms. Okay? 2 minus 4.
Plus 2. 2 minus 4 is 2.
2 minus 4 is
I'm
negative.
negative 2, right?
Bring the 2 over.
Yeah. So it'd be 2 minus 2 cosine.
Alright? And then you factor it out. So 1 minus cosine squared 40.
So it'd be 2,
Okay?
1 minus cosine squared 40.
Alright? Okay?
Okay?
Now this becomes sine 40, right?
Oh yeah, because 1 minus cosine squared is sine.
Right. So sine squared 40 times 2. Alright? Now let's divide by 2's. Right?
Cosine.
So because all of this is 1, all of this is one thing, we can just bring the 2 to the negative, to the square root 2.
Bring 2 to the square root 2.
All of this right here is one thing, right?
Yeah.
This is one thing.
Yeah.
So this is divided by 2, and then all this is divided by 2.
Yeah.
This is what I don't even want. So square.
Oh, extend page. You gotta click that.
You have to take the square root of 2 sine squared of 40.
See that?
Yeah. So
Later. 6:30.
square root of 2 over 2. I'm sorry, I'm doing square root of 2 over 2 cosine 40.
No. Oh yeah. Plus or minus square root 2 over 2. Oh wait, hold on.
Plus or minus.
Okay, so you see how square root of sine is just sine?
Yeah.
Square root of sine to the sine?
Yeah.
And so then this becomes square root 2 times square root sine squared 40. See that? And then this square root and the
Yeah.
cancel out, so this is square root 2 times sine 40 over 2. But then you can bring the square root 2 over
Yeah.
here. So plus or minus square root 2 over 2 sine 40. Okay? Did you write it down?
Yeah, I'm writing it down now. And you could click extend page to extend that. No, extend page on the bottom. Okay. If you scroll down, there's a button to extend page.
Okay. So what's square root 2 over 2?
Square root of 2 over 2 is
What degree?
45 degrees.
Right. So remember that. Now, is that the cosine of 45 or the sine of 45?
Could be either or.
Both, right? So okay. So now we've got cosine 45, comma, sine 45, actually, times cosine 40 plus or minus cosine, comma, sine 45 times sine 40. Correct?
Plus minus cosine over sine 40.
No. It's comma. It's a comma. It's like a slash. Or. Right?
Cosine of 45 or sine of 45.
Now, which one of these looks familiar? Cosine 45, cosine 40, cosine, sine, or does it look like cosine, sine, sine?
Cosine, sine.
Right. So now we know this, and now we take the thing inside, the 45 and the 40. We take the 45, the 40, right?
Yeah.
So now which formula is this?
It'd be the cosine plus or minus.
Right.
It'd be cosine plus or minus.
Cosine what?
We'll say plus.
Okay, let's say plus, right?
Yeah.
Plus or minus, because it's plus or minus here.
Cosine of 40 plus or minus the sine of 40.
That's it. Now you're totally 100% sure. Yeah. You get 95% about that. If just people get 95%.
Yeah, that helped. Because I was able to figure that out on my own.
So yeah, we also have the research tomorrow.
I can't come tomorrow.
So if you can go.
Chemistry, man.
Will there be sessions next week? Or are those going to be canceled for Thanksgiving break?
Yeah, maybe.